Sagittarius, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Another reading. Check ko lang po itong aking card kung naka-upright. Yes? Okay. So, welcome po. Welcome, Scorp's Work Tarot, January 18. January 18, 2026, New Moon. New Moon reading po tayo. So, ang message po ng New Moon on January 18 is about long-term goal, setting of our long-term goal, taking responsibility, preparation for new growth, at opportunities. Yes, opportunities coming. So, start natin yung 2026 with a lot of intention. Yes? So, ano natin yan? I-claim natin. I-claim natin yan, Sagittarius. So, game na tayo. Magkwentuhan po tayo. Fellow OFW, welcome, welcome. Good morning, magandang tanghali o gabi kung nasaan tayong parte ng daigdig. Welcome po tayong lahat. So, Sagittarius, January 18, what Sagittarius need to know? Bigyan natin ng magandang reading ang ating fire sign friends. Yeah? Ano pa rin ngayon? Advanced reading tayo kaya Sagittarius season pa rin. Sagittarius, January 18, New Moon reading. What Sagittarius needs to know? One card. Isang card lang. Isang card. General reading po. Kung makaresonate, shout out. Kung hindi po sa susunod. Okay, one card. Fellow OFW na Sagittarian. Okay. Tignan natin. Yes, okay. Seven of Swords. Strategy. Yeah? Pipick upin ko to as a strategy kasi long-term goal daw. Long-term goal ang ating message ng New Moon. So, preparation, mag-strategize, taking responsibility, ang message. So, kung ano man yung ating magiging decision, so we need to own. Okay? Walang tama, walang mali. Depende po yan sa ating situation sa buhay. So, ano natin yan? Panindigan. Okay? So, minsan dyan tayo, yan ang natin, nagiging sakit natin. Kapag meron tayong desisyon, it's either we own it at panindigan or nagiging issue. Kasi may repercussion. Lahat ng ating decision, there's always a repercussion. Tama po ba? Okay, check natin. Strategize. So, mag-ready ka na. Ready na tayo sa 2026. Okay, tuloy natin. Give me one card. Anong storyboard ni Sagittarius? New Moon, message. Long-term goal, mag-strategize ka na. Ano ang plano mo for 2026, Sagittarius? I-drawing mo yan and take full responsibility kung ano man yung ating plano. New growth, opportunities, darating yan. Babagsak po yan. A big shift for 2026. Year of the Fire Horse po. Year of the Fire Horse. Mabilis, very fiery, kamukha mo, Sagittarius. Madaling magbago, madaling mag-isip, mabilis magdesisyon, mabilis magbago rin yung isip. Okay, tingnan natin. Let's see. Fire sign, Sagittarius. What Sagittarius needs to know? Yeah, sabi ko sa iyo abundance, long term. So, kung ang ini-strategize mo at mina-manifest mo is about pentacles, okay? Nagtanim ka, may aanihin. Simple as that. So, strategizing, be ready kasi it will be another busy year for you. Yeah? Another busy year kung didiskartehan mo ng mabuti. Walang problema po. So, kapag meron tayong inambisyon, 7, headspace, pinangarap, to go somewhere or to achieve something, wala pong problema. Bibigay po yan as long as we are on the right path. At saka yung opportunity, nandiyan po yan as long as we take responsibility. Merong itanim, merong aanihin. So kung handa si Sagittarius na mag-araro at to soil yung nails at yung niya, yung lupa. Okay, araruhin. Yes, work hard and then you're gonna keep that abundance and money growing. Health, financial, security, walang problema. I don't see any problem here for Sagittarius, especially beginning of the year. Yeah? Okay. Ayan na, binibigay na sa'yo. So, nothing is impossible. So, you just need to, to plant that. To plant that. Okay? Preparation. Year-end. Advanced reading po ngayon. So, advanced reading po ito. So, you can, prepare ahead. Yes? Okay, tuloy natin. What Sagittarius needs to know. Give me one more card. Storyboard. Bigyan natin ng magandang reading si Sagittarius. Positive reinforcement. Yeah? I-offer sa'yo, nandyan. Nandyan yung pera, nandyan yung kabuhayan, nandyan yung health, nandyan yung istruktura ng buhay. Pero you need to strategize. Yes, strategize, strategy. Okay, the two meaning ng Seven of Swords, it's either being sneaky, okay, sneaky is strategizing din po yan, but I would consider it as a positive way of, dealing things, yes? Yeah, okay, see? A lot of positive na, na lumilitaw lately, I'm not saying na, puro walang, na lahat masaya or abundant, iba-iba po yung definition natin ng happiness and also ng ating struktura. How big is this pentacle na pinapangarap natin na ma-achieve? But definitely, mostly of the signs, merong senyales na hindi masyadong mabigat, unlike the past 12 months ng 2025, itong 2026. Yes, as long as we plant the right intention and also we work for it, mas magaang po. Mas magaang yung dating ba, yung bang tipong kapag nagipit ka, merong kang malalapitan kaagad. Yes, merong may tutulong, merong nakatago sa ilalim ng kama. Yung ganung tipo, how easy it is. Yes, hindi masyadong mabigat, hindi heavy. As far as relationship and connection, so kung itong Sagittarius na nasa harapan ko single, no worry. If you're worrying about nagpaplano na magkaroon ka ng baby, na to get married, it's also auspicious time to prepare ahead, okay? Because long-term goal po yan, ang pag-aasawa, ang paglagay sa tahimik, ang pagbuo ng pamilya, ang pagkakaroon ng anak. Yes, this is about ovulation and also yung sa feminine, sa women reproduction. Yes, so that's the symbolism ng Ace of Pentacles and also ng Ace of Cups. It's overflowing, it's new beginning, new child is coming, and more connection. Yeah, magaan po, magaan. Okay, yeah. So, ano pa ang gusto mo? Ano pa ang gusto mong planuhin, Sagittarius? So, ituloy natin. Yeah? Okay. Mukhang magpapakapi sa Sagittarius, yeah? Okay. Sun, yeah? The most powerful card sa tarot. Nandyan yung abundance, overflowing of happiness and natural resources. Nandyan siya, na pipitasin mo na lang yung bunga. Yeah? Okay, ituloy natin. Let's see what Sagittarius needs to know. So, walang dapat ikatakot. Ika nga. We just need to prepare ahead. Yes? So, merong ano tayo, may effort. Hindi po ganun kadali. Pero, hindi rin ganun kahirap na to achieve yung ating personal, yung long-term goal natin. Yes, as long as we take responsibility, ibibigay po yan. So, ituloy natin. What Sagittarius needs to know. What Sagittarius needs to know. Blind spot. Give me blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Ayan, magkape-kape po tayo. Weekend. Pahinga ang mga OFW. Okay. OFW, isa hindi po nakakaalam, OFW din po ako. So, alam ko yung mga pinagdadaanan ng fellow OFW. More than 15 years. Yes, hininto ko na yung pagbibilang. Okay, tuloy natin. Sagittarius, give me blind spot. Blind spot. Give me blind spot. What's Sagittarius needs to know? New moon reading. See? Queen of Swords, clarity. Uh, I will take this as clarity on the Seven of Swords. Yeah, strategizing, sneaky, nagka-calculate ka ng math, ng numbers, ng storyboard mo, what to expect. Anong pinaplano mo for 2026, bagong taon, bagong panimula. Yes? Queen of Swords, headspace, decision maker, walang emosyon, very sharp, intelligent, kaya niyang ibalanse ang emosyon, ang logic, at ang emotion. Clear your head, okay? Clear your head. There will be time na maraming influence, marami kang maririnig, maraming mga isasama ko na lang dito yung pollution ng social media, ng television, yung nakikita natin at napapanood. Yes, ngayon, social media is very powerful, pero you need to discern, okay? Discern is i-identify mo yung tama at yung katotohanan at yung kalokohan. Yeah? It's part of your strategy. So, sneaky, maaring hindi ikaw ito. Maaring you will be surrounded by people na hindi naman, ang intention is not what, yung intention mo rin. Okay? So, their intention is good as well, pero hindi kayo align. Yeah? Hindi kayo align. Maraming ganyan. You might experience a lot of those people na, mare, ito maganda rito, or mura itong bahay na ito, or hindi bumabaha dito sa lugar na ito. Maliit lang yung down payment. Yung mga ganun tipo. Yes, may personal interest, negosyo, kasama po yan. Pero you need to be sharp and smarter than these people. Okay? Kasama rin yan sa message sa'yo. Be smarter. More smarter than what other people are saying or telling you. Yes? Okay. No problem. Kung humingi ka ng advice, or meron kang mentor, or merong nagbibigay sa'yo ng information, yeah, you just get the information. Yes? Get the information. Kasi ito yung ito yung focus mo late now eh. Yes? Nakatingin ka rito, this is what you are looking for towards January up to the whole 2026. Nilalatag mo na siya. Health, wealth, financial well-being, family matters, struktura, at pagmamahal. Yeah? Mag-open sa iya, no problem. But you need to be more smarter this time of the year. Okay? Yan ang message sa'yo ng new moon. Kasi nagpe-prepare ka ng ng long-term goal mo. Okay? I-drawing board mo yan, isulat mo yan sa sa journal. Yes, very important po yan. I do it also. Ilagay mo siya sa sa harapan ng fridge mo. Yeah? or sa ano somewhere closer sa to drawer mo. You can check that one, checklist. Yes? Parang ano yan, parang New Year's resolution na hindi naman natutupad. Lumipad ito. Yeah? Are you dealing with Gemini? Yeah? The lovers, okay? So, uh, this is about having new partnership, having new career trajectory. Kung meron kang itinanim na inaplayan, there's always a connection. Hindi ka matatanggap dun sa trabaho or i-interviewin if there's no connection. That's um, structure and ano pa rin yan, emotional connection. Yes, hindi ka tatanggapin ng amo mo or ipopromote kung wala kayong connection. That's abundance. If you're looking for that struktura ng karir mo na umangat sa next level, the lovers, Gemini, balance. Yeah? So, um, it's merong ibinigay at may offer emotional connection at merong tatanggap ng emotional connection. So, works both way. So, hindi mo ma-achieve yung next level of that emotional connection or partnership kung number one, walang maturity. Number two, there's no meeting of emotions. Yes? Type ka rin. Yes? So, it can be a relationship as well, not necessarily na boy and girl. It can be boy and boy or girl and girl. Yeah, neutral. Wala na pong ngayon, wala nang discrimination. Respect is here. That's what it is. You're gonna get that. In terms of financials, career, or offer, madaling makukuha ni Sagittarius ito. Yes, again, strategy. May intention ka rito. You have that intention in the past at meron kang itinanim. Again, sasabihin ko na rin uulitin ko yung new moon message, long-term goal. Yes, you're gonna have that one. Financial and love. New relationship, it will opens up as well. Yung struktura, again, strategize. Yan ang sa'yo. Don't get influenced by, don't be influenced, okay? No wrong, walang masama humingi ng opinion, second opinion with others, but you need to be smarter. You need to raise that yung yung headspace, yes? Yung wisdom, yung knowledge mo. Yeah? Okay, anuhin mo yan. Kunin mo yan sa back pocket mo. Yeah? And the opportunities, no problem. Babagsak sa'yo because it's opening up yung yung higher vibration, and also the universe is giving that to you in two hands. Yeah? Dalawang palad pa, ibibigay sa iyaan. Ano pa ba? Opportunity. That's also opportunities. And and building a family, there's no problem. Second level of relationship, higher level na, gusto niya nang magsama, no problem. Smooth sailing ito. It's gonna be smooth sailing. Gemini, if you're dealing with Gemini or may placement ka Gemini, keep that balance, yeah? So, Sagittarius, fire sign, Gemini, air sign. Again, it's gonna be a challenging. Hindi ganun ka, there's still work, okay? I'm not saying na hindi compatible 'yon, pero there's still work. You have fire and air, yeah? Pag hinipan mo yung apoy, hindi namamatay yan. Lumalakas palalo yan. So, there's intensity. Yes? So, lovers, Gemini, twin, balance. Yeah? It's always the balance. You need to take note of that. Part of your strategy. Kung sa relationship, if you want to enter that Gemini space of, element of the air, yeah, being a fire sign, medyo mainit ka. Mainit ang Sagittarius. So, keep that strategy also in a relationship. So, three message na nakikita ko. If you're entering into relationship, keep that balance. Career-wise, financial, there's no problem, but you need to be smarter. Read the fine print. Yeah, strategy. Relationship, move to the next level, no problem. Smooth sailing, Yes, but as long as you keep your headspace. Yeah, medyo hilaw dito sa Sagittarius kasi yung emotion mo, you are a fire sign, understandable. Gusto mo yung makuha mo now, dapat nung isang linggo pa dineliver. Yeah, that's how it is. Contain that one. 2026, year of fire horse. Magiging doble yung ano mo, yung passion mo. You will be more passionate than before. Yes? Okay. Ituloy natin. Lovely reading. Saan ako kukuha ng card? Okay. Tuloy natin. Okay. What Sagittarius need to know? Message. Give me one more card. Give me one more card. Give me one more card. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Okay. Long-term goal. Ulitin ko po. Long-term goal. Taking responsibility. Prepare for new growth at saka opportunities. Yan ang main message theme ng new moon. So it's very good time now kasi magsisimula yung bagong taon. Yep. So prepare tayo, strategize. What Sagittarius needs to know? Additional message. Give me, hindi ko kunin yan, hindi saya. Give me one more blind spot. 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 Okay, Sagittarius. One more blind spot. 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 Yeah, lumilipad. Okay. Okay. The devil. Yes. So, not for everybody. Yes. Are you dealing with Capricorn? Yeah. Okay. Sagittarius, fire, Capricorn, earth sign. Yes. Okay. Kung feeling mo you are stuck in a relationship, again, strategize. Hindi ka nakatali. Yeah? Hindi ka nakatali. I-explain ko lang. I'm not so sure kung na-explain ko dito sa Sagittarius na nasa harapan ko. What is devil card? Okay? Toxicity, codependence. The devil is the lovers in reverse. Yes? Okay. Kapag po yung lover in reverse, yung respect, yung addiction, yung codependency na kaya kayo nagsasama dahil sa yung isa nakapagbibigay ng suporta but there's no love. Yeah? Hindi ka makaalis doon kasi reality ng buhay, wala yung isa mas may pera. Yes? Merong kasama na rin diyan yung matakaw sa lahat. Sugarol, matakaw sa sa romansa, hindi ka makaalis kasi meron kayong codependent ka sa isa't isa, but there's no love and there's no respect. Yeah, iba yung struktura ng what a real romance means. Yes? Okay. You are not tied up. Okay? Pwede kang makakawala kasi hindi ka naman nakatali doon sa relationship na yon. Yeah? Capricorn, hardworking, but the tendency is to overdo things. Yes? A little controlling and also at the same time, how do you say, hardworking and perfectionist. Yes? Okay, that's one personality. Pero the devil card, what I can see here, because nasa pagitan siya ng nasa tabi siya ng the lover card. So, not for everybody. If Sagittarius feeling na wala kang power to get out of that relationship, or it can be applicable sa work setup. Ito yung abuse, mga amo na hindi nagbabayad ng overtime, or abusive relationship na spouse na physical abuse or mental abuse or anything like that, strategize. Yes, the universe is telling you you have a new beginning. Yeah, you can have that independence na hinahanap mo. You can find a new love if that's what you're looking for. Strategize, separate mo yung logic sa emotion. You have that Queen of Sword here. So that's one of your character. Itong Sagittarius na nasa harapan ko. If your partnership sa work is no longer working out, you are free and there's an opportunity opening up to you. Again, strategize, intention, and setting your long-term goal. Okay, the devil is also an alchemy. Yes. If you are waiting for the relationship to change, yes, what I can see here is strategize as well, work on that relationship balance, and Queen, communication. Yes, communication is very important to Sagittarius. Yeah, it's part of your goal setting, long-term goal setting. If you want to save the relationship, may option ka rito. You are free to separate if you want to. Yeah, that's the Queen of Swords, making a decision. You're gonna have a lot of decision here towards January before the new moon. Yes, magbabagsakan lahat yan. You need to prepare kasi there are a lot of things opening up for you. Mag-open siya, opportunity. Baka magulat ka na lang, sasabihin mo, ay, bakit ako nagtsatsaga dito sa kinakasama ko or sa boyfriend ko or sa girlfriend. Yes, it's gonna happen. And this one, I can see it here. I-ano ko lang yung timeline nito. Okay. So this is the message for January 18, okay, ng new moon, okay? Expect first quarter of 2026. So you need to strategize now if these things happen. Kasi yung opportunity, kapag nag-open po yan, you need to take ownership and responsibility. Yeah? Yan ang isang message sa'yo. Yan ang isang message sa'yo. But you need to have that sharp mind. You need to keep that balance. Hot ka, Sagittarius. Ano pa ba yung nandirito ko? Decision, wag i-separate mo emotion at medyo baka magdrama ka rito. Okay? Because yung Queen of Swords is telling me na be smart, be more smarter. If you are smart, be more smarter. Okay, I want to get one more card. I just want to get validation. Kuha ako dito. Okay. Yeah. I just want to see outcome. Tignan natin. This is a good start for 2026. Okay. Give me one more blind spot. Outcome. Sagittarius. What Sagittarius needs to know? Oops, hindi sa yan. Blind spot. Sagittarius. What Sagittarius needs to know? One card. What Sagittarius needs to know? Meron pa siyang message. Yeah? Okay. Are you dealing with Scorpio? Okay, this is new beginning. Yeah? Okay, yung structure mo, yung spiritual belief mo, okay, this is very fast. May nangyari somehow in last November, okay? Kung meron ka itinanim, kung yung relationship is starting to be messy or tipong kung meron ka in-applyan, ito yung harvest season mo. Okay? Ito yung harvest season mo towards January 18. New opportunity, new love, new relationship. If you're waiting na magkaroon ka ng positive news to have a baby, you're gonna get that. If you're looking for a relationship or new job offer, you're gonna have that quickly. The structure, okay. Faith. You can see that yung sun, yes, okay. Structured ng spiritual belief mo. Yeah, iba-iba po tayo ng pananampalataya. Raise that one, okay? Keep that. So if something happened last November during Scorpio season, continuation ito towards January 18. Are you dealing with either a Scorpio or somebody born under the year of the horse? Okay? May message dito. Somebody na born under the year of the horse. Very very important person in your in this coming first quarter towards new moon January 18. It's either you're gonna meet somebody a Scorpio or somebody year of the horse. Okay? Yan ang another message sa'yo. I just want to get one more. Meron pang gusto sabihin. May gusto pang sabihin. Okay. Kunin ko siya dito. Okay, Sagittarius. New moon reading. One more blind spot. Sagittarius. One more blind spot. One more blind spot. Yeah, magkape-kape po tayo, fellow Sagittarius, mga fire people, OFW. Kung hindi OFW, welcome po. Okay, one more. Give me one more blind spot. I want to see the outcome. Give me one card. One card lang. One card. Okay. Yeah, Scorpio. You're dealing with Scorpio. Okay. You have two queens here. Okay, one is Queen of Swords, head space. Queen of Cups, emotion space. Yeah. Okay. Minsan madrama. Okay. May drama. Contain that. Scorpio, water sign, or go somewhere outside, close to the sea, close to the beach, close to nature. You might get something, yeah? Ano pa rin to? Today is towards end of the year, advanced reading, magbabagong taon, holiday, connect to nature, yeah? At saka yung drama, alisin mo, may dramang nangyayari. I think this is because of this devil card. Okay. Meron pang gustong sabihin. May message pa. I want to see the outcome. Okay, let's see the outcome. Okay. One. Sagittarius, one card. Okay, completion. Napagod ka. Yeah, understandable. You want to end it up something and you want to move to a different direction. Yes? Pinasan mo. 10 of 1, completion. Again, ano yung tinapos mo rito? Meron kang tinapos if it's a relationship, you need to strategize. Yeah? You ended up something here. Death card, new beginning, death, and rebirth. You just ended up something here. Yes? May nangyari nung November. I do not know what it is. Yes? If it's a relationship issue, strategize. Okay. Unless may third party dito, Sagittarius. Okay. One card, one card, one card, one outcome. I just want to see outcome, outcome. I just want to see the outcome. Outcome, 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 outcome. Okay. Miser mentality. Kung feeling mo you're stuck dahil sa out of place ka, abusive relationship, walang financial support, you're alone, you've been dealing everything by yourself, pinasan mo, pinasan mo, pinasan mo, yes, you have a way out. Again, strategize. Kung related ito dun sa the devil card, lousy relationship, bad relationship, abusive, you are exiting. Yes, exiting, contain logic, contain emotion, balance. Yeah. If you're looking for a new relationship or may third party, you're feeling na mas gusto mo yung isa, no judgment, it will create you a new beginning. It will create you a new love relationship. Again, strategize, strategize. Scorpio, dealing with Scorpio, or it's a symbolic for death and rebirth. Yung ano mo, yung belief setting mo, hold on that faith, hold to that faith, hold to that faith. Yung paniniwala ito, yung istruktura ng society, kung ano yung sasabihin ng tao, panindigan mo, long-term goal mo, to move to that direction, take responsibility. But you're gonna have a new beginning, new beginning. That's what it means here. Ang problem, hindi mariresolve kundi haharapin. Nandun yung susi. Opportunity-wise, gipit sa pera, financial structure, new beginning. Again, yung intention mo, set that long-term intention. New beginning, strategize. Partnership, meron ka makikita, walang problema. Toxic relationship, strategize, strategize. Emotion contain, and then you can exit here. You can exit. Get out of that Five of Pentacle mentality kasi limiting belief yan. Pag nasa isip natin na we cannot get away from that type of relationship or bad luck, hindi, you will never grow. Prepare for new growth. Yun ang sinasabi ng new moon. Yun ang message niya. So, you need to be smarter. Yeah? You need to be smarter. More smarter. You are smart, Sagittarius, but you need to be more smarter. Way smarter. Okay? So, I just want to there's something missing. Okay? I have to admit there's something missing. Kuha ko ng isa pa. Last lang. Okay. Napahaba yung reading mo kasi merong element na parang missing dito. I do not know. Ayaw mong sabihin. Okay. One card. One card. Pick upin ko siya. One card. Sagittarius. One card. One more. Give me one more card. Blind spot. One more. Okay. Merong third party. Okay. This also expansion. Yeah. Again, take responsibility. Kung sasakay ka sa camel or hindi, that's a question. Yes, nandun yung sun. Again, sinabi ko na yan, nandito yung sun. Okay? The sun, the most powerful card sa tarot, it's all about the abundance, yung hinahanap natin. What motivates us to wake up every day? Yeah? Yan ang definition ng sun. Yung abundance, love, prosperity, harmony, yeah, okay, belief setting. If you're on a crossroad, take ownership, okay, be smarter. Inuulit lang ng card yung yung taro yung sinasabi niya, sasakay ka ba dun sa camel o hindi? Yes? Ano pa yung message dito? Okay? I don't have problem na makita kayo na ano yung inspired action mo. There is very ano ka, very hot ka, Sagittarius. Itong nasa harapan ko. Alam mo yung gusto mo, alam mo yung gusto mo, alam mo, okay? I think it's more applicable to you is taking responsibility kung saang direction ka pupunta. Kasi may tinapos ka rito. You're on a crossroad. But abundance, in general, you're gonna have that. Yeah? Financial wealth, happiness. You just need to be smart. And you're dealing with a Gemini, a Capricorn, and a Scorpio. Yeah? So kung sino man sila dito sa isa sa tatlong ones here, three of one, it's an expansion. Kung sinong dadalhin mo doon, nasasakay kayo sa camel towards the sun, free choice po, free will. Yeah? Okay, so this is not for everybody. So merong element dito na it's a crossroad in terms of relationship na tinapos. Okay? But in general, Sagittarius, you need to be more smarter. Goal setting, January 18, new moon. Yun ang commonality. Okay, one last oracle, moon oracle for Sagittarius friend. Yeah? Okay. Sabi ng Frog Prince, the path has been cleared for you to make a change that previously seemed unachievable. Yeah? Okay. Sabi ko nga, mas magaang. Compared to 2025, 2026, mas easy yung flow. If you need help, there will be help. If you need that love and connection and respect, you're gonna get it also easily. Ito yung mga tipong papaupuin ka sa MRT na maski na hindi mo kakilala, yung mga ganun tipo. Yung, mayroon akong napansin dito. Ito, okay? Genie in the bottle. Yeah? May genie in the bottle ka ba? Yeah? Kung sino ito? Who is your definition ng genie in the bottle? Parang, correct? Yan yun eh. During parang sa Middle Eastern something. Yeah? Okay. So, yes. So, ano pang gusto mo, Sagittarius? You have the money and you have the happiness. So, magpapakapi ka. So, yeah, napahaba. Napahaba po yung reading. So, yeah, salamat Sagittarius. Hope you enjoy it. See you again.